Hello everyone, so let's do an update on gold, Xauusd. It's Thursday the 19th of September, links all in the video description. So, earlier we got the move down here which was targeting this manipulation area. So this was the consolidated area, this was where the interest rate news was released, that's down here. But that is a very concentrated area. You could probably even have another great area in that running along there which got respected earlier. So you can see we're currently bouncing off that. We're currently in the buys at break even now. We entered around here sort of area. So we're currently expecting a continuation up. You've got a nice little gap there from the news earlier today. So that's a little indication of a bullish movement to come. So all this would be saying is this is a true buy and this is a retracement to yesterday's news, and now we're going to continue buying to target the all-time high and this high here. So current daily high, so the targets will be the gap, that'll be the first one, and then the current daily high and then the previous day high. They are TP1, 2 and 3. So what happens if that gets taken out? Well, we're going to do a forecast now to go over what we can expect if that doesn't happen. So go to the hourly time frame, and that's how our chart looks like at the moment. So we're going to go to a clean chart actually. We'll take this one. I haven't used this one in a few days. So 4 hour time frame. What we're currently getting is this downwards move here. This was the news, and now price comes up and it's coming into that wick. So if we see a continuation down from now, then you can see I will get it right in a minute. Now price has retraced up to this wick. If price starts going down from now, then you can expect a continuation down, and the reason for that is this interest rate news wick. This is the true direction, so they're selling. The big move today was the retracement, and now we're in the New York session, so you'd be expecting a continuation down to go below this low. I did do a little voice note on the free Telegram channel this morning saying your main targets for buys and sales should be the previous day high and low, and that is the top and bottom of this big candle. Those are the previous day high and previous day low. So if we start to fall down now, you'd be expecting a continuation down below that wick, which will be the higher time frame retracement that was explained on the weekly forecast, which was we had the impulse move and then you'd get a simple retracement, but you have to follow the smaller time frame confirmations. That's just going on the higher time frame. So that is the forecast. If we start to see price break down now, and that would be your first target there, that low. Go down to the hourly time frame. So if price starts to break this now, we are in the afternoon UK time. We are already in the New York session. So the move is likely to be already taking place. So if price starts to go below this low, then you're expecting to follow this big candle, and you're likely to target all of this liquidity down here, because this would be the retracement. Now, it had its chance to retrace to the manipulation area to go up. That's what you would expect to see if price is bullish. We got a reaction. We're currently in the buys at break even. So if that fails, then we got it wrong, but we only finished at break even. By seeing that confirmation, you'd think, okay, now price is looking more bearish. Let's start getting into the sales, because price is now breaking this manipulation area, and the only area below that to target is this all-time high, all-time previous day low. So that is why you'd be looking for that grey area to break. So it'd be too early to start selling at the moment, because if we go to the 15-minute time frame, you can see price has come down, retested this manipulation area. You can see we've got a consolidation there. So we've got a smaller time frame manipulation area taking place, which runs along there. So this is now your breaker on the smaller time frame. This is the higher time frame breaker, which involves the interest rate news and the concentration from all that day. So that is the higher time frame breaker, and this would be your smaller time frame breaker. Let's go to the 5 minute. You can see that. That's your consolidation. Downwards move is your fake out. Now you're seeing the impulse move up. So this area would need to hold as bullish support to continue that bullish momentum. So currently in the buys, so your stop loss would be no lower than, I'd say, this area here, around 2575. So that's the lowest you'd be expecting price to retrace to, because that's going lower than that consolidation area, and you expect this consolidation area to hold as your bullish support. There's the little gap from the news earlier. Let's just put a line on. Yeah, that's the right time. That's the thing. It's jobless claim news today. So what you'd be expecting for a bullish move is this area to hold, and then a continuation up, and that would support the bullish movement that you're already in from down here somewhere. But like I said, if that breaks, then you can expect the big grey area to start breaking, and then the big white arrow to be followed, and that would be the higher time frame downwards move. So you've got a big distance to get into that move. So yeah, that's what I'm currently looking at on gold. Like I said, only in the buys at the moment. If price starts to break down, then we will follow the higher time frame analysis, which is that big downwards arrow. Hopefully I've explained everything quite clearly. I know I mess up talking sometimes, but I'll do my best. Hopefully, yeah, I got my point across. Links are all in the video description. Currently in the buy. If it starts to break down, I'll switch to a sell. Take care, have a good day, and goodbye.